Hello YouTube, and welcome. In this video we're going to show you how to get the most out of frames per second for free, no money needed. Basically we're talking about a computer and a phone, or only just a phone. Especially on the iPhones. I'm pretty sure on the Android have it too. You go to the slow-mo and then you're gonna be able to get 240 fraction per second already. On the newer iPhone 10 and 12, 14, you can get that. Anything older, you probably have on 240 frames per second, you'll have 720. As quality, you only have HD on 120 with the old ones. Anyway, you take the slow-mo video on the phone and you're gonna upload that on the computer. So it doesn't matter what software you have, all of them are capable of slowing it down for you even more. Now technically it's not as gonna be as good quality as a camera, but you can go up to 2000 frames per second. If you have 200 frames per second on the phone, so the computer, once you get this uploaded, so we have this. This is just the slow-mo, just straight out of the phone camera. And I'm using the Final Cut Pro. So this could come with a MacBook. Now, if you have if you don't have this, you can download Shotcut for free, and it will actually slow it down. So when you go slow, you can go 50% or 10%. So 50%, it actually just double the number of frames per second. And I'm gonna go 10%. I want to go 10% the speed, and that really spent. Now we're going like 10 times slower. It made the video a lot longer. There's a nice feature here that actually smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and do optical flow. Some softwares have it, some doesn't. So there's a capability of really getting some really high fractions per second right here. This is actually doing the analyzing for optical flow right now. It probably take a little bit of time.